हेलो एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन है रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट थ्रू ए ग्लास स्लैब। एज वी नो, रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट that is just bending of light when light passes from one medium to another. I am just taking a simple example. मेरे हाथ में I am holding a beaker filled with water. I have placed a glass rod in this beaker. So you can clearly see at the interface where medium is changing from air to glass, there is slight bending of this rod. This is actually due to refraction of light when light enters from one medium to another. Discuss the refraction of light through a glass slab. I have drawn a glass slab here. So सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to take a normal. This is our reference line through which all the angular measurements will be done. So first of all, I have taken incident ray, this red ray is incident ray. The angle which it makes with this normal, that is the angle of incidence. This is our incident ray, this is our first medium, this is our second medium, glass slab is our second medium, this is our second medium. So when light enters from one medium to another medium, you can clearly see this yellow ray. This is actually a refracted ray. So this is what we are discussing. Refraction of light is just bending of light when it enters from one medium to another medium. Angle of incident ray with this normal is angle of incidence I. Similarly, angle of refracted ray with normal is angle of refraction. So after this refracted ray will enter again into first medium here. This is our emergent ray. So angle which it makes with the normal, that is basically angle of emergence. When first and this last medium are same, this emergent ray and incident ray, they are parallel to one another. In the refraction of light through a glass slab, one important law called as Snell's law is obeyed, which is basically a mathematical relationship between this angle of incidence and angle of refraction. So according to Snell's law, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction, that is a constant quantity, and that constant is basically equal to refractive index of a second medium. This is our second medium, refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium, which is denoted by symbol n to 1. This basically means refractive index of a second medium with respect to first medium.
तो इसी चीज को जो हमने अभी देखा, let's do it practically. Actual light ray will come, actual slab we will place, then let us see if light wave comes, we will place a slab, then what happens with the light ray? Really, this ray, will it really bend? इसी तरह से क्या रिफ्रैक्शन होगी, चले आओ प्रैक्टिकली करके देखते हैं. यू सी लाइट्स देखो, ये तीन लाइट रे आ रही हैं. व्हेन लाइट रेज आर कमिंग, ऑफ कोर्स दीज आर स्ट्रेट लाइन. नाउ दीज आर स्ट्रेट लाइन. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल जस्ट प्लेस अनदर a slab. You see, when I placed a glass slab, it is just refracting. Can you look at just refracting? ये देखो टेढ़ी होके फिर निकली. Now I am placing the glass slab. अगर मैं thickness ज़्यादा वाली glass slab रखूँगा, now I am placing a glass slab with a large thickness. Now you see the refraction. जो main dark lines आ रही हैं, जो dark rays, वो dark ray आ रही और उसके साथ साथ बेंड कर रही हैं. और फिर दोबारा when air to this medium it is coming, it is bending. This is called refraction. And this is the most interesting point is when the light ray is coming out from this medium, glass slab medium, to air. Now what is happening? Again it is refracting. Here it is refracting inward. From air to glass it is refracting inward. Now from glass to air it is refracting outward. So this is a live demonstration how does the light comes and light refract, as my teammate Gurdeep ji has explained you on the board. Now further, how to perform an experiment in laboratory. So Mr. Gurdeep will tell you how to perform the same experiment in the laboratory and how to note it in the books.